Hi guys, hi there. So if you are a transcriptionist or you are an aspiring transcriptionist, today is your day. This is just a short video. I just want to inform you that a company called GoTranscript is currently hiring transcribers. So we already, right now, this is actually the GoTranscript website, GoTranscript.com. So that is the what you will type in your search bar, and then it will bring you here. So now we know that transcription is turning video or audio into text. If you want to know more about what transcription is and what skills are required, what skills you require to become a transcriptionist, I will link a video that I did before on the same. But for now, we will just focus on the jobs. So you'll come here. You can see transcription jobs available worldwide. I know that one of the most difficult things when you're a transcriber or trying to become a transcriber is finding those jobs. And job boards like Upwork, of course, it is always they are competitive, and it is hard to even find a job to do over there. So now this company, which is a transcription website, is hiring transcriptionists right now. You can see they say we pay competitive rates for our online transcription jobs, because of course that is always one of the first questions that people ask. So per audio minute they pay $0.60, and then per month, that is maybe an average earner on this website earns $150. Top monthly earners, those who earn, I think the most on the site, earn $1,215. That is monthly. So what you'll do to apply, you'll come here and click apply now. Of course, now the language that you prefer or you are conversant with. So we'll choose English. Then from there, now it will bring you to this window where you are supposed to now sign up. You'll have to create an account, of course, input your email and password, and then sign up. You can also sign in with Google, or you can sign in with Facebook. So you'll go to, after signing up, of course, there will be jobs available. There is a test that you will do, and then you wait for them to confirm you before you can start working. It is a good thing, good practice to try and understand, because now GoTranscript offers both verbatim and non-verbatim transcripts. So it is good to be conversant with the two of them before you can start attempting them. They also offer caption services, audio translation, text translation, and these are the prices, by the way. So transcription from 0.77 per minute, captions 1.111, that is in dollars per minute, text translation 0.06 per minute, audio translation, foreign subtitles. All these services are available here. So maybe you just come, if you want to check out these foreign subtitles, you click on it, and then it brings you here. Yeah, so I think that's it. That is what you will do to sign up on GoTranscript and start your transcription journey. What I do, I'm just giving you information. I'm not a transcriptionist myself, but I just come here to tell you any other way to make money online. And today it's transcription. So what you should do, if this is something that you want to do and you haven't started yet, please just go to Google and type how to make money as a transcriptionist when you're starting out, or just read anything that you want to know about GoTranscript before you come and apply. So I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.